Y'all, 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 I just made the most delicious, okay? The most delicious chicken cheesesteak that I probably have ever had in my entire life. And what kind of person would I be if I did not come on here and share that recipe with the most awesome, incredible subscribers a girl could ever ask for. It is so delicious, so mouth-watering. My mouth is literally like salivating right now. Well seasoned, totally awesome. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating my sub, my fries, my soup, and I'm gonna run this back. So y'all can see how this amazingness all started. So run to your refrigerators right now. Get ready to gather up your ingredients, because once you see this, you're gonna wanna try it. You're definitely gonna wanna try it. So get going to the fridge now. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Allison Alanna, and in this video, we're gonna be doing a little bit of cooking. It's lunchtime around here, so we're gonna have some chicken cheesesteaks, fries, and a side of soup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that now. Make sure that as you enter into the video, you hit the like button, and if you're new here, that you go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. All right, so this is everything I'm going to use to make the subs. I got my chicken breast here. I got Kobe jack cheese, extra sharp cheese, and provolone, an onion, some tomatoes, some red pepper. I got my lettuce. I have my hoagie bread, some honey mustard that I'm probably only going to use on mine because I like honey mustard on my subs, some mayonnaise, and then I have these seasonings out. So I got my orange pepper, my seasonal, my onion powder, and my garlic powder. The link to the orange pepper will be in the description box below this video. So make sure that you do go down there and check, because I will have the link for the orange pepper in there. Okay, so I just chopped up a half an onion and a small piece of red pepper, and I'm about to add these to the hot oil. While the onions and the red peppers are cooking down, I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken. I'm gonna start with my orange pepper seasoning. Then my seasonal. Onion powder. And then I'm gonna add my garlic powder as well. I'm only using those four for this because I really want the orange flavor to be in my sub. So as you can see, I'm just adding the chicken to the pan at this point. My pan's spinning all over the counter. Okay, so this is what the meat is looking like so far. I have 17 minutes left on the timer. I got some fries in the oven, so I'm gonna keep the meat going for the next 17 minutes as well, just because I like my food to be properly cooked very well, and I kind of want it to get a little bit of grilling going on. I'm gonna drain the water and the oil off soon, and go ahead and add the cheese to it. So yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. Another way to do it would be to cut your onions up a little bit bigger. You don't have to use the red peppers. I just wanted to add them in my chicken this time. But you can cut your onions up like longer or like circular shape and kind of grill them first, and then add your chicken to that. Okay, so for my soup, I'm using this Panera Bread turkey sausage, kale, and quinoa soup. This is my favorite. This is my first time rather trying this one. I normally get the lemon chicken one. That one is really, really good. I don't know how this is going to taste, but today we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started now. Okay, so the meat is ready. I took out a little bowl for my son because he doesn't eat cheese. So now I'm about to go ahead and add the cheese to the meat. Okay, so I'm going to use some extra sharp Kobe Jack and then some provolone. Alright, so I'm going to let this melt down. The fries are over here, they're ready, and the soup is still going. Alright, so everything's ready. I'm about to go ahead and make the sub. So first thing I'm going to do is add some mayonnaise onto my bread. This is kind of hard to do while holding the camera, but y'all definitely get the picture. And I did, if I didn't mention it, I did toast my bread. So then I'm going to add some lettuce. So I put some lettuce on.
Good.
And I'm adding my tomatoes. Then I'm going to add my meat on. Look at that. That cheese looks amazing. All right, so now I'm gonna add some honey mustard to my, I really like honey mustard on my chicken cheesesteaks. So I'm adding some of that to mine. All right, so everything's plated. This is what it's looking like. I got my sub done, fries, I added some ketchup to it, and then here is my side of soup. And that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and try this out. Make sure you get the orange pepper because the orange pepper really got this chicken tasting amazing. So make sure you check the description box for the orange pepper. It's in my it'll be linked down below in the description box. So for dessert, we're going to do these little Mrs. Field sugar cookies. I got this pack of cookies from the Dollar Tree the other day when I went. And I really didn't need this big dish for them, but I'm going to use what I'm going to use. And this little one right here broke when I was taking it out, but I think it should still be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven now. Alright, so here go the cookies. I just took them out the Pyrex dish and sat them on a piece of parchment paper on the table so they can cool down a little bit more. The only thing I'm missing now is like some ice cream or something like that, but I didn't get any ice cream yet, so this is what we're gonna have for dessert. So this is what the dessert is looking like. I just put some vanilla Greek yogurt in my bowl, 2 strawberries and 2 cookies, but I already ate one. So this is what we're doing for dessert. The food was awesome, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and that you will try my recipe. Make sure you get the orange pepper. That'll be linked in the description box below. The food was great. I think you're definitely going to love it if you try it. And make sure you come back in the comments and tell me that you tried it, and let me know how you liked it. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the join button so that you can get access to my exclusive footage that is not available to anyone else except for members. So go ahead and do that, and then you check the description box also for the link to my online boutique where I sell co-ord sets for women who are busy on the go but still want to look great. So with that being said, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thank you for the support. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see y'all in the next video.